Let's make souvenir for a wedding. The client ordered 6 mugs and 2 thermos tumbler. This is an intimate wedding with blue theme. So, pinipreheat ko lang yung mug press and pinapaabot ko siya ng 190 degrees as my temperature. Then, nakaset siya to 150 seconds. After ng isang mug, tinitingnan ko na kagad yung result kasi I want to make sure na as much as possible, hindi ako ma-rejectan or kung meron man, at least konti lang. Tinitingnan ko yung design, kung tama ba, and yung temperature, kung tama lang ba yung timpla. So, diyan, natapos ko na lahat i-press lahat ng mga mugs and tinatanggal ko na yung mga papers. Then, I'm packing the mugs. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng ribbon on both sides and sticker on top. Kaya naman, naisip ko na the design is minimalist pero social ang atake. This is my first time to receive orders sa sublimation kaya sobrang excited akong gawin to. And feeling ko naman I did a great job and you can see here nasa sahig talaga ako gumagawa kasi 'di ba sabi if you need an unlimited space sa sahig ka gumawa. I have my table naman. But, if you work on a table, your space is very limited. So, why not sa sahig? 'Di ba? Ayan lang naman. And later on, ipapakita ko kung anong itsura ng finished product. Then, nagkakat na ako dito ng vinyl for the thermos tumbler. And this is the final.